you're going to get paid to do nothing? Yep, I'm going to show you exactly 3 apps that pay you over and over again for doing nothing. One actually gets you paid for walking. I'm going to show you exactly that on today's video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you 3 apps to make money automatically while you're walking or even sleeping. And actually one of them gets you get more money for taking walks. Alright, before we get started, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about affiliate and internet digital marketing. And I'm here to help you along the journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. If you have any comments, please post them below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, to see in the future. And guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell so you can get notified when I put out these videos. And also, if you have any questions about today's content, post it below and I will reply. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started with today's video of talking about the 3 apps that you can get money from automatically, whether you're sleeping or walking. All right, so the first one we're going to be talking about is Mobile Expression Panel. All right, so this is a pretty decent app. You can see here it's got 4 stars out of 5. 24,000 people have used it. And basically, this is the membership benefits. All right, so you can earn credits instantly when you join, continue to earn credits simply by keeping your app active. You can redeem your credits from gift cards to create from different retailers like Amazon, etc. Your points will not expire as long as you stay an active member. And while you're doing this, you're helping the environment because they actually participate in donating a tree to Trees for Knowledge. All right. So you're not only making money, you're actually helping the environment while you do it. So it's got 4.2 stars, very good reviews. And here's a guy right now. He's like, let it run. You'll earn 2 points each week. Trade every 10 points for a $5 Amazon gift card, or better yet, 15 for a $10 Amazon gift card. All right, so it's hassle-free. You install it through your Swag Bucks offer. You also get Swag Bucks. So that may be a good way of actually installing it so you get double dip there. All right. So this guy's actually used it several months and had no problems. And it's not cheated him. So this guy actually recommends it. This guy here just redeemed my first $10 gift card and applied it to Amazon and went smoothly. Definitely not a scam. All right, so you can see there's a lot of reviews. What is there? 24,789 reviews on Mobile Expression Panel. So just go to Google Play, Apple iOS, Apple App Store, install the app so you can start making credits. All right, just install it, let it run, and you'll get credits. Of course, these aren't going to make you get rich, guys, but this is just free money for doing nothing. All right, so that's the first app. The second app I'm talking about today is Smart Panel. All right, so you can go to smartpanel.io. I'll put links in the description for all these. I know I usually don't put links in the description because I don't want to be thought of as just pushing links to everybody. All right, but smartpanel.io. This is pretty much the same thing. Why join? You can build a better digital world. Anonymous statistics collected from SmartPanel help you favorite websites, apps, technology companies improve their services and features for everyone. All right. So how do you become part of the community here? How does it work? You sign up. All right. It takes a couple minutes to sign up. You take a questionnaire, and once you've completed it, they'll notify you whether you qualify or not. Once you qualify, you install it. You can install it on your PC, tablet, or smartphone, and you get $5 just for qualifying. Then you get $5 every installed month after that. So there's also loyalty months, et cetera, for months that you stay active in their service. All right, so this is kind of a breakdown how you would get paid. So you get paid $5 for qualifying and $5 every month you are active, and you get smart rewards. So here's your smart rewards here. So they start adding up. After you've been there for a year, you'll get one $100. All right, so then it goes up to $10, your loyalty bonus, and et cetera, et cetera. So, guys, it's free money in your pocket. All right, you just let the app run, and they're not like spying on your stuff and looking at your passwords or nothing like that. They're just looking at uh, basically what you're doing, just like Facebook or Google or anybody else is. All right, so as long as if you're using Facebook or Google, you might as well start installing these apps because they're doing the same exact thing, and you get paid for it. All right. Lifecoin is the third one. So Lifecoin is a cryptocurrency, believe it or not. I remember when these guys first came out, and it's a great concept here. So this app, you install it on your phone, and it actually pays you to walk. Yeah, I said that right, guys. You get paid to walk. So if you're somebody that goes out and takes walks all the time or out running with your phone, use this app because you're going to get paid to run. So if you're already running, just turn on your phone and have this app running. You're going to get paid. All right. So you're going to get paid Lifecoin. You can convert the Lifecoin to Amazon gift cards, to Apple, whatever. There's a lot of things that you can convert your Litecoin to, your Lifecoin. I'm sorry. Turning daily walks into mining sessions. All right. So while you're walking, it's basically mining the coin. All right. So that's a pretty cool concept. I like this app, and it's something I'll probably install myself because I do run, and I kind of have a passion for cryptocurrency at the same time. So this is kind of a win-win, and it's one of those apps that you get rewarded for being active and you're not even thinking about it. All right, so go check out these apps. You're not going to get rich off them, but you can get some free money, and they pay you over and over and over for doing absolutely nothing. You can be sleeping and getting paid with the two apps, and you can go take walks and get paid for the third app. All right, so go check these apps out. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, if you're looking for more of a passive income that you can make $100 to $300 every single day on autopilot, hit the link below for my #1 recommended Make Money Online program. That program will actually teach you how to be an affiliate marketer and actually help you make money every single day. All right. That's what I use. That's my main source of income. And guys, if you're just looking to trade time for money, go through these videos. You can make tons of money by doing little tiny things all over the place. I got many videos out. Just go to my playlist, Work From Home, and you'll see lots and lots of videos. All right, guys, peace out. I hope you have a great day. Remember, if you have not subscribed to this to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and give me a like, give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll see you tomorrow.